A child takes the stand in the trial of her own father, who's accused of selling her for sex. Today, the girl being cross-examined by attorneys. The child answered several questions about what police believe she was forced to do, including stealing. All of this in the courtroom in front of her dad.
Target 7's Justin Matthews joins us live. He spoke with a child advocate about why New Mexico children have to face their suspected abusers in court.
Showing up to court and testifying can be intimidating to anyone, especially if it's a child. Now, there are people who make a career out of helping children through the process. A lot goes into working with a child before taking the stand in court.
We walk them through what's to be expected. We'll bring them here to the courthouse, show them an empty courtroom so they can get familiar with the environment. Talk to them about their fears and about how to kind of alleviate those.
Tiffany Korn is a children's advocate who says a child is told from the very beginning that they'll be facing their alleged abuser when it comes time to testify during a trial.
We prepare them mentally for that, and so we give them different types of tips or tricks to help decrease that anxiety or that fear.
Like certain breathing exercises, for example. Then when it comes time to testify, Korn says a child could be given pens and paper to draw, or silly putty, for example, to ease anxiety as long as a judge approves it.
Everybody is scared when they testify, but for children it's amplified.
So why not let the child testify over the phone or through a webcam in another location that isn't in the courtroom where their alleged abuser is?
New Mexico is one of very few states in the United States that has a child testify in front of their abuser instead of utilizing a forensic interview.
On rare occasions, a child is able to testify over the phone or using a webcam. We saw that during the case in Omari Varela's death, but advocates say prosecutors must prove to a judge that there was some kind of extenuating circumstance to do that. Live in Albuquerque for Target 7, Justin Matthews, KOAT, Action 7 News.